guys, good morning. I am here to show you guys my Amazon parcel. It's all Gharguti parcel this time, and I so wanted to make a lot of video around it, but I couldn't because मेरा वैसे भी घर shifting and all चल रहा था, and काफ़ी टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था एंड मेरा फ़ोन फुल चल रहा था. बट दिस टाइम आई कैन. देयर आर सर्टेन पार्सल्स दैट आई कैन शो इट टू यू गाइस, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ मच इट्स गोना हेल्प. एंड या, लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट. तुझे तो बैठना, तो बैठ जा.
Stay away from pain.
What?
Like to stay away from pain. साफ करना पड़ेगा उसी के अंदर डाल.
उसके अंदर डालती वो बाहर का है. यार ये सेम है, एक पैक में और एक बिना पैक में है. Can you go? Because you are not helping.
How should I help?
तो तू मेरा मुंह क्यों देख रहा है?
मैं बस देख रहा हूँ क्या.
Okay, these are two. I think this I got it for 120 का दो, and this I thought I'll like ये छोटा आया, जितना मैंने सोचा था उससे तो छोटा ही आया. So this is actually for rice and गेहूँ. I thought that is the reason I thought it would be coming big, but वो आया नहीं. So yeah. एक काम कर लो ना, आप इधर ही आके गा लो. आजा. नहीं आ जाना, दोनों में मैं ही कर लेती हूँ.
फोन देख जा रहा हूँ मैं.
पता है कि आवाज आता है फिर भी गाया जा रहा है. ओके, माय हस्बैंड इज अ डिस्ट्रैक्शन. सो जाना, बंद कर, दरवाजा बंद कर. बंद कर. ओके, सो ये तो मैंने ऑर्डर किया था सोच के कि ये ऐसे लंबा आएगा और थोड़ा बड़ा आएगा, सो आई कैन यूटिलाइज. एंड एक्चुअली पतला भी सोचा था, बट दिस टू बॉक्स हैव कम सो बिग. बट या नॉनदलेस आई कैन यूज दिस फॉर सर्टेन अदर स्टफ. बट ये काफ़ी स्टेडी है. प्राइस में मिला है उससे तो काफ़ी लाइक बहुत अच्छा है. लाइक 120 में दो मिला है, सो इट्स रियली गुड एंड स्टेडी एंड इट्स रियली नाइस. इट हैज़ locks, 4 lock, which is really good. So I'm not gonna return, obviously I'm gonna use it for something. Let's open the second parcel. This looks big. Let's open. अरे हम लोग like I've been dealing with this house organization, like organizing stuff. I've been searching everywhere the organizer stuff. I'm yet to organize a lot of stuff in my house, so yeah. So I'm still purchasing a lot of stuff. These are some items I ordered, like 27 to 26 items from Amazon. I think there is only 6 to 8 I think have reached, and I'm making a video out of it. सब तो नहीं दिखा सकती, बट जितना दिखा सकती हूँ उतना दिखाती हूँ. This is something, I'm not sure what this is, but let's see. Fataфат. Oh, okay, this is not something, I mean this is hand pump, like, so this is not something I think इतना इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है मैं दिखाने में. Oh, there's another heavy thing. Yeah, this too. I got this 2 jars. This was also in a good, nice, like what do you call? Like nice price. Okay, look at the jar. सही है ना? I think I got these 2 Milton jars for $3.99 I guess, which is not bad, which is really good deal. And there's a glass jar. So yeah, just 2 glass jar. So I have 2. Then let's open another one. पूरा घर का सामान है because I want to organize my kitchen. So I was just waiting कि सामान अच्छे से आ जाए so that I can start organizing everything well. So let's see. This is just a napkin holder. I'm just trying my best to stay like in the theme maybe, like घर होता है तो एक theme होता है, but I'm not sure what theme that would, like we know what that theme is, but I'm not sure how much I would be able to stick around. So this is just a tissue holder. I already had one, but I wanted to stick around to the, so ये कैसे ना, ये ऊपर ऐसे इधर टिश्यू रखो, इसको बंद करो. So this will really help me क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत हवा आता है. Otherwise I'll tell you how I am. I already have this one from IKEA. It's really good, steady, but the only thing is ये ऐसा है तो ये गिरता है कभी कभी ये वो, तो this would help. So basically this would go, and I might keep this, and this I will use it somewhere else. So yeah, that is one thing. I got it in a pretty good deal, so I bought this. Amazon is really good when it comes to, you know, good stuff with a pretty decent price. I'm not sure how my frame looks like right now, but I'm in a messy mode. Just woke up, it's a Sunday, I'm not able to put out a lot of videos and stuff, so I was like यार एक और like at least ये unboxing डाल दूँ, उसी बहाने तुम लोग थोड़े से you know मेरी लाइफ से catch up कर सकते हो like what's going on in my life. Just yeah, shifting stuff, organizing, and yeah, making this house a home. So let's see what this is. And it's crazy, I tell you, it's crazy to organize a house. I mean, I've done it previously, like हम लोग जब शिफ्ट हुए थे बैंगलोर में, but this is like your own house. You want to buy stuff, like that's gonna be like थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम रहेगा with the theme. You don't want to overcrowd also, but you still want everything. तो वो एक थोड़ा सा difficult situation हो जाता है. I don't know what this is. Okay, yeah, this is something I have ordered. This should be green. Let me see. If it's not green, it says green. Yeah, this is bottle green. I've ordered this for my brush and to keep my stuff in my wardrobe. So this is for brush, lipsticks, anything else that you want to keep. So I've ordered this for my cosmetics and brushes, and this is really good. I really like, and also ये घुमा सकते थे, तो इसलिए मैंने ये ऑर्डर किया. यार आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट स्टफ. मेरे को हाँ वार्डरोब भी सारा लगाना है, कॉस्मेटिक्स लगाना है, so I needed all this stuff. So yeah, thinking and ordering a lot of things. Didn't want it to overcrowd. That would be my theme, but I'm not sure how much I would succeed in not overcrowding. Oh, this is another two-piece glass jar, which I really got it in a good number sale. मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे प्राइस में मिले ये jars. That is also one of the reason I'm happy. I might make another video when other parcels would come in. The color I was expecting was pink, but yeah, it's nonetheless good. It's a glass jar. I have two, so, and this is like airtight. So yeah, these two, and let's see another. This is a box. ये सब अमेज़ॉन में मिल जाएगा if you just type whatever the organizer you want. So there's no link or anything. I am not doing it as a affiliation or anything. So it's just stuff that I'm just doing. Like I'm just like doing it as a normal person. I'm just trying to get like writing all the organizer and getting stuff. This is another cosmetic. No, this is a perfume holder. I mean, you can hold anything, but I ordered this for a perfume. There's one more thing inside. I'll open that later. Okay, so the thing that is inside is this, the rods. Yeah, it's a rod, but I don't know if you have seen these kind of arrangement organizers, but I don't have, like, my whatever the area that I have to keep my skincare, it would not have the 2-layer or 3-layer I can keep. So I've just ordered the 1-layer one where I can keep one, like I want to keep all the perfumes together, and I can rotate and I can use this. So this is another thing that I loved. So these two I purchased for my skincare and cosmetics. Okay, that's for that. And more here. I'm not sure how much my voice is something that's coming. Mera mic, I mean, as I said, it's messy, so I don't remember where my mic is and where my stuffs are. So, oh yeah, I had ordered this foundation brush. I really like Mars brushes, so I normally trust their brush. I don't go much and explore much brush options. I do explore like pack and all, but still, I wanted one, brush to use for my L'Oreal tint one. I'm gonna try this brush for that. So yeah, this one, and let's see what this is. I don't know, my hair and me looks like very unorganized, but I am unorganized. Don't tell me. Okay, this is that. Okay, I already had these. So I had like white, green. I ordered a 4 of white again. So these are the some stuff that you can keep it in your wardrobe. Oh, this is टेढ़ा है यार ये. Return करना पड़ेगा. ये रिटर्न होगा मोस्टली. आई विल रिटर्न इट बिकॉज ऐसा है. नॉर्मली इट शुड बी ऐसा स्क्वायर जो नीचे के है, एंड यू कैन कीप योर स्टफ एंड यू कैन कीप इट इन योर वार्डरोब सो दैट यू नो सेक्शंस हो जाते हैं. बट ये रिटर्न करूँगी बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टफ. ये टेढ़ा हो चुका है, सो ये रिटर्न वाला प्रोडक्ट होगा. So I think that's it for today's. If in case I come back and have more Amazon parcels, I might share it with you, or if I'm not in that zone to share, I might just start using those stuff. Like इससे पहले भी जो भी Amazon parcel आया, I couldn't shoot. This is my first Amazon parcel that I'm sharing with you guys. So yeah, there are a lot of stuff that I'm purchasing from Amazon. We went to IKEA as well to purchase a lot of stuff. It's a never-ending job and it's a never-ending task. So yeah, bits and pieces में कर रहे हैं. So yeah, see you guys. I'll try to update, but as you guys also see that I'm not that much out there, like you know, posting regularly. But I'm trying not to be a person who is not updating. At least I'm trying my best to update. At least I'm putting out shorts, because that's just shorts when it comes to cosmetics, but life updates and everything you get it from here. But yeah, these are my some stuff which I really whatever I ordered, I really loved the quality and the way it is. The only thing that I'm gonna return is that plastic stuff. So maybe you will see me in another Amazon video, because I might be shooting that as well. So keep you guys posted, because I think yeah, maybe another 6 months I might be only setting up my house. When I say setting up my house, it's like you have to buy the organizers, you have to keep everything organized, you have to keep everything in place. You have to decide the place for each and every stuff. So all that stuff is really hectic, because Monday to Friday I'm working. Saturday, Sunday, it feels like some days I have to work on Saturdays as well, but that's something I have to do. But yeah, that is what I was gonna say, is Saturday, Sundays are also not sufficient for us to organize a lot of stuff, and then you have travel, you have your own life events. So yeah, I think मैंने बहुत बात कर लिया है, but just here to update you guys on what's going on. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. I know I'm not that consistent, but I'm trying my best to be there. So just a bit of support would work. Bye.
तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी, तुम तो
Hi guys, me again. I might put this in the same Amazon video. Okay, I just received one more parcel from Amazon, so I thought I'll just open. तो ना वो 6 सेट आ गया फाइनली। 6 सेट जो हम ढूंढ रहे थे, आया नहीं था ना। यस, सो this is like I think 6 set we had ordered, so this dabba is also now home. Okay, that's it. I think this is the last parcel I wanted to show for this vlog. Maybe I'll do another vlog for all the Amazon parcels, the rest of the parcels.